Hi, I'm Mike.
And I'm Molly.
And welcome to another edition of
Remodel Your Thinking. So this is where we try to get you to think a little bit differently about the world of remodeling. And this is something that Mike and I do every day. So we try to educate you a little bit more about it. And today we're going to talk about you're only as good as your team. So I know that sounds a little cliche, but it's absolutely 100% true. So when you have an effective team and a team that works together, then everything just goes so much better on the project.
It makes it run more smoothly because you have a team working together, all working towards the end goal. So everyone is a team member, from the vendors we buy from to the people doing the work. We're all part of the same team. And that's really the key to making it successful. One thing that's really good is that when you've worked with people for so long, they know each other. And so part of what they do is think about the next trade or the next piece getting done in the puzzle and try to make that next piece go in easier. So they do that little bit of extra stuff so the next team member has an easier time doing his or her part.
Yeah, so they will work on their own part, but they also know that, and all of us together know that whatever we're doing is always going to affect the other team member. And this goes back from the very, very beginning of a project, from when we're working on plans, when we're making material selections, everything, because even at that point we're assembling the team, and then once we get the green light for construction, then the team really goes to work. So it's very much from the very beginning to the end.
Well, the team is all involved in the planning. So even before we've started, we plan as a team together, so that when the green light's given, it's just that much easier and that much smoother.
And part of making our team effective is that everyone knows what their tasks are, what the daily tasks are, what the weekly tasks are, even to the milestones. So there's always a plan in place every day, every week, for the month, for the next 2-3 months, depending on the project. And so there's always a plan. And when you have a great team to work with, as we do, then it just makes for a safer environment,
a more productive environment,
and a happy
site is the best thing that there is.
Yes, it is. So hope you learned something, and hope you're not too afraid about the world of remodeling. It's really great. We will hold your hand through every project, and if you like what you saw, then please subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, your family, and let them know what a great team
Virtuoso is.